Hello everyone, welcome to Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is Jaggery Rava Kesari or SHEERA. Let's start the recipe. Add 1 cup of jaggery. Add 3 cups of water. Boil till jaggery melts. Now strain the jaggery syrup to remove the impurities. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons of ghee and add few cashews and raisins. Fry them on low heat. In the same vessel, add 1 cup of sooji or rava. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. Now add jaggery syrup gradually and mix well. Make sure there should not be any lumps in it. Cook on low heat. If you are new to my channel, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Now add 1 cup of milk. Mix well and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. More sweet recipes are given in the description box. Please watch them. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add half tablespoon of cardamom powder. Add roasted nuts and cook for 2 minutes and switch off the flame. Try the recipe and let me know your feedback in comments. Very tasty and delicious Jaggery Rava Kesari is ready. You can prepare this for Naivedya. More interesting and healthy recipes are on the way. If you didn't subscribe till now, subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon and follow Shalini Foods in Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.